faculty members, the heads of academic departments, and the deans of the different colleges. We also witnessed the entry of the administrative staff, Dr. Marietta B. Soria, Director for Administration and Finance, Dr. Eugene M. Reyes, Director for Student Affairs and Research, Dr. Eladio P. Caminero, Executive Director of PCL LA, or Philippine Counselors League and Executive. Please remain standing for the doxology and the Philippine National Anthem to be led by the LNU Performing Arts Chorale.
Manalangin, sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo. Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo. Dito sa lupa, para ng salangit, bigyan mo po kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw at patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala para napagpapatawad namin sa nagkakasala sa amin. At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso. Bigyan mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Bayang magigilugay sa silangan, alam na puso sa likid mo'y buhay. Lupang tinirang, gulit ka lang mag-ibig, sa manlulupi, di ka masisi. Sa nagtatulog sa sigo, sa langit ang baka, uli na ang tulataw, sa paglay minamahal, ang sakay matawag, tagumpay na nagpininig, palitubig na taro niya, pag may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw na buwan, ating pagsinta, uli langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pag may makapit, at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Anong matawa? Yo!
Studies of the Lyceum Northwest Third University. Let's call on Dr. Romana O. Fabregas.
For some of you, ba nakabaya? For some of you, this confirmation is subject to completion of requirements, but not beyond March 2015. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Attorney Melvert Latouille. Hindi ka makita. You are poor and dark. And of course, let me also meet Dr. Eugene Reyes, our Director for Student Affairs. And my good friend, Dali Caminero, Executive Director of the Philippine Council of State. Thank you very much for a very meaningful and purposive speech. Indeed, although short is not round, I believe that you have ably accepted my thoughts. And of course, shared with our graduates their thoughts about public service and public servants. And because of that, on behalf of the Board of Trustees, I thank you. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And I wish that next time our director will always be around, because this is a once in a lifetime affair. The graduation of public servants. Now, let me also congratulate our director, the OIC Assistant Regional Director, for the presence today. Because like many of you, I want to identify myself with you, because I was a local government official, having been elected as Vice Governor of the province of Pangasinan. The founder of this institution, the Lyceum Northwestern University, was also like you. He was a former provincial governor of the province of Pangasinan, Dr. Francisco Q. He was also a former cabinet member, like many of you, a public servant. He was Secretary of Health during the Marcos administration. My youngest brother, ang sabi nila kung nakikita kami dalawa, parang mas matanda sa akin, pero siya ang youngest brother po namin. He also served the government. He was PhilHealth President. He was Secretary of Health. He was Undersecretary of Health. Today, you will not be surprised that he is the chairman of the Civil Service Commission. The only doctor who has become so far the only chairman of the Civil Service Commission, Dr. Francisco Duque III. Yan po. Kaya, ang ganda-ganda po na may makilala namin ang sarili namin sa inyo. Kasi pakakala ninyo we are not one home. No. We are a family of public servants.
Employees Multipurpose Cooperative of Lyceum Northwestern University Basis Financial Plan. Juarez Gigi of Masinloc, Zambales. This is titled The Implementation of the Municipal Ordinance Number 102-13 of the Municipality of Masinloc, Zambales.